Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. So guys, if you are trying to sign in your Apple ID or Apple account on Apple developer website or Apple developer application, but you are facing this issue and you are unable to sign in your Apple ID on Apple developer website or application, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to screen time. Scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this and after this go back and now you have to open your App Store and search here for developer or Apple developer. So guys, simply search here for Apple developer app and now you have to simply download and install the latest version of Apple developer app on your device. So guys, do this and after this go back and now open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then go to sign in and security, and from here you have to simply tap on add email or phone number if your email is not added on your Apple ID. So guys, here you can see this, my email is already added from here, and if your email is not added here as primary email, then you have to simply tap on add email or phone number, and after this you have to simply add your email address from here. So guys, simply do this and after this go back and now check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple support team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple support team and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.